Breast cancer is the commonest cancer in the world. Over 2.6 million women were affected by breast cancer in 2020. There is hardly anybody untouched. It affects the young, the old, the rich, the poor. Early diagnosis is the key to curing breast cancer. Awareness is the key to early diagnosis. October is the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. At 2 Minutes to Health, we'll be dedicating this month to breast cancer awareness. Diagnosis of breast cancer results in anxiety in those close to the patient, friends, relatives, and colleagues. Doctors are consulted, mammographies are done. But why only when somebody you know is diagnosed with breast cancer? Should one not be alert to the possibility of breast cancer all the time? What should make you think about visiting a doctor for a breast cancer checkup? You should visit a doctor if you have any symptoms of breast cancer. The most common symptom is a lump or thickening in the breast or the armpit. The lump usually increases in size slowly over months. It is painless and so it is thought to be harmless. But painless is not harmless. No breast lump should be ignored. A doctor must be consulted. Some women do not consult a doctor for fear of being diagnosed with breast cancer. If you have breast cancer, is it not better to see your doctor and get diagnosed early? The lump you have may not be a breast cancer. Imagine the comfort of knowing the lump is not cancerous. There are other symptoms that should suggest breast cancer. These include a recent inversion of the nipple, peeling or scaling of the skin around the nipple, dimpling, redness, thickening or discoloration of the skin of the breast, distortion of the breast, and nipple discharge. Is it possible to detect breast cancer before symptoms develop? Yes, it is. From the age of 25 years, every woman must perform a monthly breast self-examination. A breast self-examination is performed by standing in front of the mirror with the hands on the side. You should look at any abnormality and feel for lumps. We will talk about this in another video. Mammography is a special X-ray of the breast. It detects cancers that are too small to be felt. The recommended frequency of mammography varies from country to country. You should consult your doctor for the right schedule. Some women have relatives who have suffered breast cancer. They need to be more vigilant and need to be examined from a younger age. Mammography is less accurate in young women. Other investigations like breast MRI may be useful. The schedule and type of test vary with the risk of developing breast cancer. You need to be vigilant and consult your doctor for symptoms of early breast cancer, do a monthly breast self-examination, and do a mammography regularly. If you find this video useful, please like it. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.